In this video, I'm about to show you how to set up CRA Business Account. First, open your Google Chrome browser and search for CRA Business in the search bar. Next, click on the first link that appears, which will take you to the official CRA or Canada Revenue Agency website for business accounts. Once you're on the page, scroll down a bit and click on the option that says Register for a CRA account. At this stage, you'll need to decide whether you need to register for an account based on your business needs. If you're unsure, you can check the available information on the page to help you decide. Now gather all the necessary documents you'll need for registration, such as your business number, personal identification information, and any relevant tax information. This will make the process smoother. After you've gathered everything, choose your preferred sign-in option. You can either register with a CRA user ID and password or use a sign-in partner like your bank account for easier access. Now it's time to verify your identity. You'll need to provide some personal details, including your social insurance number or SIN, and other identification details to confirm your identity. Once that's done, enroll in multi-factor authentication. This step adds an extra layer of security to your account. You'll likely be asked to enter a code sent to your phone or email. Finally, complete your identity verification. This process might involve answering security questions or submitting additional documents to confirm your identity. Once all steps are completed, you should have successfully set up your CRA business account and can start managing your business taxes online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.